All right, this video is going to give two examples of using words rather than a graph, or hey, here's the center, here's the radius, or here's the equation. Figuring out what the equation is of a circle with this information. These are going to be the last two problems on the 2024 10.8 notes. So first here I've got the equation of a circle, that formula right at the top. Number one says we're going to write an equation of a circle with the center at the origin and a radius of the square root of 10. We just saw the last problem up here. We did see a problem where we had the center at the origin. So with the center at the origin, that lets us know that x and y are both going to be 0. So 0, 0. And then here, the square root of 10 is the radius. So let's go ahead and start by plugging in our x minus the h and then y minus our k, making sure that we're squaring it. Here, the h and k are both going to be 0. And then here, the radius is going to be the square root of 10. Now, we need to remember that this radius is squared. And so now we have a radical. A little bit different, but we have talked about squaring radicals. As we go ahead and simplify everything down here, we just finish it off as x squared plus y squared. When you square a radical and it's just the radicand, there's no whole number in front, they just cancel out, and this ends up being just 10. Short, simple, sweet. There's our equation. So number two, let's go ahead and take a look at. We've got the center at 4, negative 1. So this is your h and your k. And we have a diameter, okay, diameter of 8. So we need to see that we need to get the radius. Radius is just half, so 4. Now, the radius squared, what we want to plug over here on the right, is going to be 16. With the h and the k, remembering that we need to switch whatever the sign is on the coordinates, we need to change it. So here h is a positive 4, so we want to say x minus 4. And then the k is a negative 1, so we want to make it a positive or plus 1. And there is the equation.